Why does your scanner show the P2273 engine code? And what does it mean? P2273 is a diagnostic trouble code for bank. 2 sensor 2 oxygen sensor signal is stuck rich. This error code indicates the oxygen sensor signal for bank 2. Sensor 2 is biased or stuck rich. This means the powertrain control module is receiving a signal from the O2 sensor that consistently suggests an exhaust condition with too much fuel and not enough oxygen. Under these circumstances, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty downstream O2 sensor. Wiring or connector issues. Exhaust leaks. Purge solenoid valve. Fuel system problems. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code is a generic powertrain code, meaning it can appear in any OBD2 equipped vehicle. Most vehicles manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Mini Cooper, GMC, Honda, Mitsubishi, and Chevrolet. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.